Mediterranean Diet, Step-by-Step Guide and Proven Recipes for Smart Eating and Weight Loss. A book by John Carter. Look great and live healthy while enjoying the classic Mediterranean lifestyle. Free bonus inside. When you read Mediterranean Diet, you'll discover a vast array of powerful tips and techniques for getting the body you've always wanted. Inside, you'll learn to create hearty breakfasts, appetizing soups and salads, satisfying main courses, delectable desserts, and even quick and easy snacks. You'll even discover the scientific principles of this diet and an easy-to-follow grocery shopping guide. Don't wait another moment to enjoy the slim, healthy body you deserve. Get your copy of Mediterranean Diet right away.